Shut up and sit down.
Hi everybody, this is Alexis with Financial Phoenix, and I'm here today to give you even more Dollar General deals for this coming Saturday, May 2nd. These are 5 off of 25 Dollar General deals. If you missed part 1 of this video, I will put it up above here so that you can check it out. It has even more deals, 3 more deals plus a bonus deal that you only spend $1. So that's pretty exciting. Today, as I said, I've got 3 more deals for you. One is an all digital deal, very beginner friendly if you've never couponed before or you're new to couponing at Dollar General. And one which will allow us to stock up on some Tide and Downy laundry products. So if that's something that you're running low on and you really want to get out there and get some of that, this is the deal for you. So I am excited to share this with you, but what are you waiting for? Let's go ahead and get into it.
Okay guys, we're going to start by doing this P&G deal, which I'm really excited about. And the reason I wanted to start here on the weekly ad is so you could see the Save 5 on your next purchase when you spend $15 on select P&G brands. Now keep in mind that's $15 that you're spending after your coupons have already come off. So you still have to be spending $15 at the end of this, but that's okay. I'm going to show you how we can maximize savings. And if you missed the part 1 to this video, there was also another P&G deal there for for all Gain products. So if you want a Gain deal, you prefer Gain over Tide and Downy, check out that first video. We're going to start by picking up one of the Tide. You can get the 37 to 40 ounce liquid or the 12 to 16 count pods. Either way, doesn't matter. Pick up one of those, and you're going to use this $2 off digital coupon, and these are $4.95, so we're just taking $2 off, making that $2.95. After that, you're also going to pick up one liquid and another one if you already got the pods the first time of the 12 to 16 count pods, so one of each. So you should have 3 Tide products now total. The reason for this is we're going to use this coupon for the Tide liquid, the 37 to 40 ounces, and this paper coupon for $2 off can be found in the P&G insert from 426. And you're going to use the pods coupon, paper coupon from the P&G insert from 426. So essentially you're getting 3 different coupons worth of Tide, which is really nice. Next, pick up one of the Downy Wrinkle Guard fabric softener. You're looking for the 25 ounce bottle. It's $4.50, and we're going to use the $2 off paper coupon from the 426 P&G on this. So we're going to get a little extra savings on this one. Next, pick up one of the Bounce or Downy fabric softener sheets. You're looking for the 90 to 105 count. These are also $4.50, but this one we're going to use our $1 off digital coupon on just making that $3.50. The next item we're going to pick up is one of the bigger ones. We're going to pick up either the Downy Liquid Fabric Enhancer 90 load or the Bounce 180 count sheets, either one of those. So if you decide to get the Downy, either one, it's going to be $6.95. And that's what it looks like. And you're going to use this $2 off digital coupon in your account, making that just $4.95. Last but not least, make sure you pick up one Gain dryer sheets from the dollar aisle. This is just a 15 count. It's just to get us right to where we need to be. And this, like I said, is just $1. No coupons, just $1 Gain. Make sure you have your 5 off of 25 digital coupon clipped for this transaction. If you're unsure of the order in which to do your transaction when you get up to the register, check out our Basics of Shopping at DG video. I will link it down below in the description box. Your subtotal before tax should come to $31.80. And after all of your coupons and your 5 off of 25 come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $15.80. So we've basically already taken half off of what we were paying, but we're going to pay even less essentially. Because we're still spending over $15 after our coupons, remember when our receipt for this transaction prints, we should get a coupon for $5 off of our next purchase of $501 or more. So the next time you head into the store, you'll be able to use that $5 coupon on whatever you like, get 5 more items, or even more if you use coupons, or, get dollar items, however you like to spend that. And essentially your total is going to work out to 1080 that you paid for all this stuff, right? Because you got a free $5. And that means that you're essentially paying $1.54 for each item in this transaction, which is fantastic considering all the nice laundry products we got. Some big ones too. For this next transaction, it's not going to be all digital, but you are only going to need one coupon that's a paper coupon to use on this transaction. So still pretty beginner friendly, but just wanted to give you a heads up about that. Let's go ahead and get into it. The first item that you're going to pick up is the CoverGirl eyeliner or eyebrow pencil for $4. If you don't use this product or you don't like it or whatever, you could always resell it in like a couponing yard sale or give it to a friend. It's just a nice filler item since it has such a high value coupon. And by high value coupon, I mean that we've got this $3 off one CoverGirl eye product coupon, and it only excludes the one kit shadows. So that's a really nice coupon. You end up paying $1 for this item. Not bad at all. Next, you're going to want to pick up 2 of the All or Snuggle products. These are all the ones that are included. You've got the detergent, you've got the scent shakers, you've got the scent boosters, the dryer sheets. These are 2 for $8 on sale, and we have a $4 off of 2 digital coupon right there. So just make sure that you're checking the size requirements, 36 ounces, 19 count, and you should be getting 2 of these for $4. Also, pick up one of the Centrum vitamins. You're looking for the 60 count tablets. This is the only item that you'll need a paper coupon on, and it looks like this. This was from the 426 Retail Me Not, I believe. Yeah, the 426 Retail Me Not. So go ahead and pick that up, and we just have one more item to get. Last but not least, pick up one of the Schick Classic Women's Razors for $4. You're looking for the 3 count pack. You're going to use this $3 off of one digital coupon in your account. It only excludes the 1, 2, and 6 count, so it should work, but always use your Dollar General app to scan items in store just to make sure they work with the right coupons. You're going to pay $1 for this item with that $3 off coupon, which is really great. Make sure you have your 5 off of 25 clipped for this transaction, and your subtotal should come to $26. And after all your coupons and your 5 off 25 come off, you are looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $6 or 86 cents per item, which is just fantastic. Okay, start out one more time by picking up the CoverGirl eyeliner or the eyebrow pencils, the 2 count pack for $4. We're going to use this $3 off of one digital coupon, making it just $1. Next, you're going to pick up 2 of the Bic pen packs. I'm going to pick up the 150, either the black or the blue 10 count packs. You could get some of these mechanical pencils or the retractable ball pens, anything like that, but you're going to pay more. So keeping it as low out of pocket as possible, pick up 2, 1 each, and stock up on some pens for your household. That's going to come to $3 for both. And then you're going to use this $2 off 2 Bic Writing Instruments products digital coupon in your account. So that's just going to make $1 for both packs, so 50 cents a piece. Next, you're going to pick up one of the Oral-B manual toothbrushes. You really want to pick up the Oral-B Indicator Contour Clean. This is the $2 brush. Make sure you're getting that name right because there are some exclusions with this coupon. Pick up this brush for $2, and then you're going to use the $1 off Oral-B Adult Manual Toothbrush coupon, and these are all the exclusions. I won't read them off here, but you just essentially want to make sure that you're getting the right thing. Again, always use your Dollar General app to scan those items. Next, pick up 1 each of the shampoo and conditioner. This is the L'Oreal Elvive brand. Elvive, I'm not sure how you say that. They're $4 a piece, so it's going to be $8 for both. And then we're going to use this digital coupon, taking $3 off any 2 Elvive hair care or advanced hairstyle products. So really nice name brand shampoo and conditioner there. Yeah, just awesome savings. Okay, next you're going to pick up one of the Finish Max in Ones You're looking for the 24 count dish pods. These are $6.50, and we have a $1 off digital coupon, making them just $5.50. Last but not least, pick up 3 of the American greeting cards. They are priced at $1 a piece. Make sure you are getting 3 of those. You're going to save $1.50 by using this DG store coupon on those. So basically making them half off. And hey, Mother's Day is coming up. Maybe you have people that you need to buy a card for. As always, make sure you have your 5 off of 25 clipped, and your subtotal for this transaction should come to $26.50. And after all your coupons and your after all your coupons and your 5 off 25 come off, you're looking at an out-of-pocket cost of just $10 or $1 per item for 10 items. So basically like going to the Dollar Tree. I wanted to give you guys an option on this last deal in case you don't need dish pods or you'd rather have some trash bags, since we've had some good deals lately on trash bags, especially the Glad. I just wanted to give you guys this option. So if you want to scrap those Finish Max and 1 pods from your last transaction and you wanted to instead add some of these Glad trash bags for $6.50, you could go ahead and use the $2 printable coupon on coupons.com for those trash bags, making them just $4.50. And your total at the end will work out to $9 instead of $10, making all of your items 90 cents. So you'll pay essentially 90 cents for these Glad trash bags, which is an awesome price for trash bags. Absolutely insane. And yeah, so I don't know if coupons.com still has it, but if you were able to print it off, definitely you could use that. I believe the digital version has expired now, but if you do still have a digital version, you could use that as well, making this last deal even cheaper.
Thanks so much for checking out this video, you guys, and thank you for your continued support during this difficult time. If you haven't liked or shared one of our videos lately, we would really appreciate it. This is my only job, and like many of you, David's not able to work right now. He's doing Instacart, but you know, there's not a whole lot of business there when you live out in the country, and unemployment is kind of a joke. So anything you can do would be super helpful and benefit us greatly, and we would really, really appreciate it. So thank you. We appreciate all of you, and we will catch you in the next one, okay?
Shut up and sit down.